Any in there, Derek?
Fuel pump quit. Well, we're almost to the show grounds. It's just around the corner. Tad bit of a traffic jam, but that's to be expected. Hopefully there's still room in the show, which it beat them guys, so that's good. Well, we made it. Barely had any room to get in here, but we got in here.
Like last year, each pack has its own individual case identification number, and 10 of the packs will have the golden can, which can be brought to the tower to redeem for extra prizes.
Usually I start this show out, obviously this is a car show area. Right along over the hill there, that's all vendors, parts for sale, junk for sale, anything you could think of. I start way at the other end of the car corral where it's car for sale and just make my way back, and by the time you get back here I'm damn good and tired and ready to go home. So let's go for a walk.
The impact you have on the volunteer organizations in your district, and this, but the impact goes a whole lot further than that. Supporting as many as 250 jobs throughout the entire year. Thanks for coming to the show. Spending your time with us. We don't take that for granted. Here's the Iola Car Show. Fiberglass body. One of the things we've been really spoiled with is the 11 a.m. on both Thursday and Friday. Some of our returning paper
your parking was nothing, is that correct? Correct.
Still my favorite section. I ain't gonna buy none of these, it's just fun to look at them. Then you can open the doors and look on the insides as opposed to show cars. You don't want you to touch them. I got a 52 Chevy 2-ton. The white's on it. Fixed it off here last fall. Welcome to the 51st annual Iola Car Show at Swapmeet. We're coming off of registration more efficient for the office staff and self-service for vendors, campers, and show exhibitors. This will be a big change for the office admin.
I would see red convertible with the black like that, and it's this the style. It looks cool. But I'd make it more of like
The Iola Car Show Superstore, located in the convention center between the office and
And the Imperial over there, they want $68.
that's what I mean.
I definitely need something like this in my life.
Fucking batteries get low and you all just do a donut.
11,500 for that thing. That ain't the worst. What a boat. Wow. It's my kind of cruiser. Whoops.
Do that so we can come back and that's smart. Everybody out. All these are in there, don't they?
You want to look at the diesel again with the carb?
You're right. Yeah, just drive around and you see when he stops.
Watching it change, because that rust is a big drastic change. Pivots is really unique. You know, rust needs once you get it locked in, you're inhibited pretty well. Just a scud, yeah. So that's another thing about these wipe-on clear coats and the shine juice is you're enhanced.
You're originally from Tennessee then?
From Oklahoma.
How'd you cross paths with
Clear coats and shine juice.
Yeah.
I'm one of the four guys.
Sure. I had a buddy who was always messing with the Ford truck, C4, expensive transmission rebuild? Yeah, my 480E, my WHD truck, was about $2,000. Yeah.
Cars of the unforgettable 50s. Make sure you view these iconic automobiles just
A Hemi in there, Derek?
2 to 3 again. They're doing part of it over there right now. It's just him from 2 to 3. That's fine.
Someday, right? Iola 2023, success. Had a good time. I didn't quite get around to everything, but I did a lot of walking. And it was about a little over an hour wait standing in line to meet Derek, which I did. He's the same guy in person that he is in the videos, so that was quite the honor. But I had enough for one day. Fuel pump quit. Didn't expect that to happen. I got no cell service, nothing. No parts store anywhere near. I'd say I'm a tad bit on the effed side, but luckily the guy that lives here is gonna at least help me pull it off the road so it's not getting, you know, pounded by oncoming traffic. So I guess we'll see on the other end of this pickup. Got my pump, got some tools. The guy living here, awesome dude. Came out, says, I need a hand. I said, yeah. Drove me a couple towns back to an O'Reilly's, got the parts. Now I'll change her out and see what happens. I'll check back in when I know more. And there we are. Seized right up. Can't even push that frickin' lever in. Well, there we go. Never had that happen before, but it's the first time for everything. What an awesome guy. Well, it's the following morning. By the time I got home, it was almost dark, and I was shot. But it was all worth it. Had a fantastic day. Met a lot of cool people. Had a lot of good conversations. Wouldn't trade it for nothing. As far as the truck goes, made it flawlessly the rest of the way. No issues at all. You know, it's been in the family since 1984, and it's only broke down twice. Once the fan belt when I was a little kid, and then the fuel pump. So can't complain there. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Got a nice little look inside the Iola Car Show if you weren't able to make it yourself. And if you'd like, subscribe, comment, whatnot. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.